Hello everyone, welcome back to Steno Court. It's time for your daily dose of legal dictation. We are focusing on clarity and flow today. So, deep breathe, stay calm, and let's get into the matter. 3, 2, 1.
The appellant who lost the Lok Sabha election filed an election petition challenging the election of the respondent returned candidate primarily on the allegations that the respondent had made communal appeals to the electorate and prayed that the election of the respondent be declared as void under sections 101 within bracket B and 101 within bracket D of the Representation of the People Act 1951 and the petitioner be declared as elected in terms of section 101 within bracket B of the Act. Stop. In support of his allegations, he filed a VHS cast said to have contained the speeches made by the respondent. Stop. The election tribunal dismissed the election petition, holding that the election petitioner had failed to prove the allegations as he did not produce any evidence to show that the VHS cast filed by him was the true reproduction of the original species made by the respondent. Stop. The tribunal also did not accept the plea of the election petitioner that the cast was obtained from the election commission and was a public document and its mere production was sufficient and no further evidence was required to be adduced to prove as to how the said cast was obtained by him. Stop. Aggrieved, the petitioner filed the appeal. Stop. The questions for consideration before the court were within bracket small I whether the finding by the tribunal that in the absence of any evidence to show the VHS cast was obtained by the appellant from the election commission, the cast placed on record by the appellant could not be treated as a public document is perverse is whether a mere production of an audio cast assuming that the same is a certified copy issued by the election commission is per se conclusive of the fact that what is contained in the cast is the true and correct recording of the speech allegedly delivered by the respondent or his agent. Question mark. Dismissing the appeal, the court held the tribunal has rightly held that in the absence of any cogent evidence regarding the source and the manner of its acquisition, the authenticity of the cast was not proved and it could not be read in evidence despite the fact that the cast is a public document. Stop. No relevant material was brought to evidence of the court which would impel it to hold that the finding by the tribunal is perverse, warranting interference. Stop. Over.